to the future of packaging with our cutting-edge brick carton juice packing machine. Crafted with precision using food-grade 304 stainless steel materials, this machine not only guarantees the highest standards of hygiene and safety, but also exemplifies durability and longevity in its construction. Imagine a packaging solution that seamlessly integrates the functions of forming, filling, and sealing, all with the precision and efficiency you expect from top-tier machinery. Our fully automatic system operates with the sophistication of Tetra Pak machines, but at a fraction of the cost, making it an unparalleled investment for your production line. Versatility is key, and our machine delivers. With the capability to accommodate a wide range of carton sizes, including 125 ml, 200 ml, 250 ml, and 1000 ml, you have the flexibility to meet the diverse needs of your clientele. Whether it's juice, water, or any other liquid, our equipment excels in filling various liquids with unmatched precision and consistency. But it's not just about functionality, it's about performance. Our brick carton juice packing machine leverages state-of-the-art technology to ensure optimal efficiency and reliability. It's designed to meet the demands of high-volume production while maintaining exceptional product quality, giving you the peace of mind that your packaging process is in good hands. Furthermore, our commitment to sustainability is evident in every aspect of our machine's design. From its energy-efficient operation to its eco-friendly materials, we prioritize minimizing environmental impact without compromising on performance. In a world where efficiency and cost-effectiveness are paramount, our brick carton juice packing machine stands out as a game changer. Say goodbye to manual processes and hello to seamless automation. Elevate your production line with the future of packaging technology. Contact us now to learn more and schedule a demonstration of our brick carton juice packing machine. Take the first step towards revolutionizing your packaging process today.